UPI payments will remain free for consumers, with any future MDR charges limited to certain categories of merchant transactions, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said in the Rajya Sabha on August 10th. Sitharaman said the vast majority of merchant payments, including low-value transactions made to roadside vendors, would continue to remain free. She was responding to concerns over the Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2026, which the Rajya Sabha cleared by voice vote and returned to the Lok Sabha, completing the parliamentary process. The minister clarified that the bill does not impose any tax or transaction charge on UPI users. It instead amends Section 10A of the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007 to create an enabling framework. Under the amendment, the government can notify which electronic payment modes will continue to receive statutory protection from charges. In other words, the legislation allows a framework for future merchant charges but does not make UPI transactions chargeable now.